Alright, I'm a little stressed today, but welcome back. I got the, sorry, fingers in the way. It's been stress day. KDX250 out here. I got new O-rings and the new bushings, but I did not get the air filter yet, which is fine. Comes in hopefully in a few more days. But right now I'm a little stressed. My secret bike, I'll just go ahead and tell y'all what it was. It was gonna be a stunt bike. So I don't have any fucking pliers anywhere, and this is really hard to do with one hand, so forgive me. I'm gonna have to sit y'all down somewhere. So there it goes. Like I said, when I revealed this bike, I'm a sucker for Kawasaki's, right? So, come on. So I have another one, another Kawasaki besides two y'all see. This one and that 626. I hope not. Yeah. So, oh, this was tight. Alright. Got the pipe off. O-rings look on it pretty good, but they didn't clean it when they installed it. So I gotta go clean that up real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and replace those anyways. Mount broke. I didn't do that. That's all good. So I'll be back with that being cleaned up, or I'll clean that up in a second. Alright. Got the pipes semi cleaned up pretty decently. So what I'm gonna do next, I guess I'm gonna set the camera. You don't see that? I guess so. Let's get these O-rings out. Is what I need to do next. So I'm gonna see if I can go find me a pick real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the old rings off. Here's the new ones. Here's the old ones. They don't look too bad. I'm going to replace them anyways. Go ahead and wipe that down just a bit. Slide these on. I'm going to slide back on. Cats. Slid right on. And you actually see they're not flat. These are flat on the top. Alright, I'm going to throw this in real quick. See what it do. Be back. Yet again. Oh, it got me. I don't know what happened, but I was trying to tighten it up and my finger slipped and I hit something. So let's see if I can get this tightened on. If not, I'll probably just need a new bolt or something. So, I'll be back. Any guesses? I need a pet cup so bad. Alright. Choke on. One. Then you need to kick it.
Alright, I'll go ahead and get my helmet and I'll be right back.
Okay, I know I just put gas in it, but I'm putting more because I got trust issues. Because this thing has a leak. See how much trust issues I got. Filled this up like. Alright, that should be decent. I'm losing stuff. Ah, did it fall? It fell. Fuck. Alright. Go ahead and got tools scattered everywhere. Let me find that tool that I just had, and I'll see you when I start kicking. I'm so short. Look how short I am. Toes, legs. I'm only like 5'9"-ish. Fuck. Oh, so far it's running better. Like way better. Woo, scary. We'll warm it up real quick. Whoa, scary. Thing is ridiculous. Probably can't even hear me. That's how ridiculous this damn thing is. Yeah, this thing is ridiculous. God, that is ridiculous. Woo. That's ridiculous. I'll be back. Speed run. Get a real sketch. Dude, this thing is just too cool. Well, after doing the O-rings, there's already huge difference in like quality. This thing has like no engine brake, so I'm scared to like pop it up. Oh, kind of like that, because I don't have a rear brake at the moment. Thing stupid. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and park this before I like do something stupid I shouldn't be doing because I don't have rear brake and I lose my kickstart. Whoa. So I hope you like that little update so far, a little bit of building. Just putting new parts, fresh parts on it. So check back with the next one. Have a good one.